This video is on question 49 from the 2012 IMAT paper. In this question we were asked which of the following would be different in a pair of non-identical twins, and we're given a list of alleles, amounts of nuclear DNA, the total of adenine plus guanine, genes, and a chromosome number. So first let's ensure we know how non-identical twins are made. So, firstly, the mother releases 2 eggs. Normally she would release 1, but 2 eggs are released instead, and therefore these 2 eggs are each fertilized by 2 different sperm, producing 2 genetically distinct or different people, which are these non-identical twins. And when I say genetically distinct or different, I mean they have different alleles. And this contrasts to identical twins, which are formed when there's one fertilized egg which splits and develops into 2 separate babies. And so, as we know that they are non-identical, we know that they have different alleles, as they have different characteristics and therefore must have different alleles for the same genes. So now, even though we know our answer is A, I'll quickly go through the rest to show why these would be the same in non-identical twins. So firstly, even though the non-identical twins were formed from different gametes, each gamete carries the same amount of nuclear DNA, so that wouldn't be different. Next, the total of adenine plus guanine would not be different. I'll explain why. So let's say that twin 1 has allele A for gene A, and this is the DNA sequence for allele A. And let's say that the twins differ through the twin 2 having the recessive allele, lowercase a, for gene A. And the way that the dominant allele A differs from the recessive allele A is this substitution here. This guanine has been substituted for an adenine, and so has resulted in a thymine on this side in allele A, lowercase a that is, compared to a cytosine on allele capital A. And so as we're looking at the total of adenine plus guanine, let's look in allele capital A, the dominant allele. Adenine, there are 1, 2 adenines plus 1, 2, 3 guanines, so that's 5. And then if we look in the recessive allele A, we have 1, 2, 3 adenines and 1, 2 guanines, which adds to 5 as well. So the total of adenine and guanine is the same. Next, we know that the twins they must have the same genes, and all humans have the same genes. It's just the alleles which differ, the alleles of these genes which are different between different people. And both of these twins will have a chromosome number of 46, that is 23 pairs of chromosomes, and the only case in which they wouldn't have the same chromosome number is if, say, one of the twins had a syndrome such as Down syndrome, in which they have gained an extra chromosome, but we're assuming this is not the case. And so our answer is A, alleles.